How to find stages, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stages, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings, and now click here notifications and go down again, and here you will find stages. And now if you want to turn it off or turn it on or anything you want, it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.